my gosh, I saw that.
What the heck was that noise?
Did anyone else hear that really loud noise?
What the heck was that noise?
Oh my gosh, I saw that.
Oh, that's disgusting. What is this?
Ding dong, here I am. Ding dong, here I am. Ding dong, here I am.
Oh, what's going on?
I have a letter for you.
What, for me?
Ding dong, here I am. Here it is. I'll give you this letter. Okay, bye-bye, I love you.
Oh, where'd you go? What is this?
Meow. 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 Hey, what's up, dog? What happened to your arm?
Well, you see, this thing came out of the sky last night and bit me,
Oh,
and
really?
I passed out,
Wow,
and
that's
then a
crazy.
little guy came and...
Alright, shut up. I'm gonna transport you.
I don't really need to go anywhere. I just haven't had a chance to get back in the house yet.
No, I'm gonna transport you.
No, plus one. I just want to go home and fruit. Plus one.
Here, I'll heal your dragon bite while I'm at it. Goodbye, my son.
I want to stay here. I want to stay here. Okay, how did I get here? Hello? Hello? Huh. Okay. I'll check this out. This place is a little dirty.
Wait!
Ha 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 ha.